Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 5-minute cardio workout for kids. Let's go ahead and begin. First up, we have jogging in place. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're jogging in place, moving our arms and our feet as we inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Nice and light movement of the feet here. We have a couple of seconds left of this round, and we're taking a 15-second rest. Great job. Let's go ahead and take a rest. We're going to move forward to our next move, which is a skip side to side. We're going to come into a bit of a squat. We're going to leap and skip right and left. Here we go. Let's begin. We're leaping, landing in a squat, helping us protect our knees from absorbing that shock. Focus on your breath. Exhale as you leap. Inhale as you come down. We have a couple of seconds left here, and we're taking another 15-second rest. Great job. Take a 15-second rest. Our next move is going to be butt kicks. We're going to stand in place and we're jogging, but we're bringing our feet back towards our butt. And we're moving those arms. Let's go ahead and begin. Focus on this movement and focus on your breath. Bring your feet up towards your butt. Keep your head and your chest up as you breathe in and out. Last couple seconds here, and we're taking another 15-second rest. Great job. Go ahead and take a rest. We're getting ready to move on to skipping front and back next. Again, we're squatting, and we're jumping forwards and backwards. Let's go ahead and begin. Squat down. We're jumping forward and back. Inhaling as we come down. Exhaling as we jump. Nice and light movement here. Driving our weight through our heels. Last couple of seconds. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. Our next move is going to be jump rope. An imaginary jump rope. Nice light skip on our feet. We're getting ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're jumping in place. Nice and light movement. We're moving those wrists. We're getting those lungs moving. We have a big smile, because that feels good. Keep on breathing. We have a couple of seconds left here. You got this. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're on to high knees next. We're going to bring our arms out in front of us. We're going to lift our knees, one at a time, nice and high. Let's go ahead and begin. Let's get started. Left knee comes up, right knee comes up. We're bringing those knees nice and high, engaging our core to get those knees up as high as possible. Focusing on our breath. We have a couple of seconds left here, and we'll be taking another 15-second rest. Great job. Go ahead and take a rest. We're on to bear crawls next for our final move. We're gonna get down on the ground into a bear crawl position with our knees off the ground and our hands directly below our shoulders. Here we go. We're crawling forward, moving our hands and our feet as we move forward and backwards in our bear crawl. Focus on your breath here. Focus on your balance. And keep your core engaged. Last couple seconds. Great job, kids. That concludes today's workout. I hope you enjoyed today's routine. If you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.